Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is finally here. Yes, this was recently launched in the Samsung Unpacked Galaxy event of 2024 and we have the watch with us. I'm going to giving you the first impression of this smartwatch, all the details and what's it all about. Well, let's get started. First, let's unbox this and tell you all about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, which eventually is the rival to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. So this is the Samsung's recently launched Galaxy Watch Ultra, and yes, the new smartwatch that takes on to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Yes, the smartwatch comes with titanium cushioned frames and has 1.5 inches of sapphire crystal screen, as you can see, with an AMOLED panel that has a resolution of 480:480 pixels and 3000 nits of brightness. It also happens to be the first smartwatch to run on One UI 6, which is based on Wear OS, which is out of the box. The Samsung's latest software for smartwatches offers several new health tracking features like Energy Score, which, similar to Fitbit's Readiness Score, gives our users an idea of their body's energy levels. This is calculated by evaluating your physical and mental condition across the factors, which are sleep, activity, sleeping heart rate, and sleeping heart rate variability. So you also get a sleep score and some new sleep meters like movement during sleep, sleep latency, and heart and respiratory rate, and lots more, that too in detail. The Galaxy Watch Ultra also helps detect sleep apnea in the selected regions. Also, the Samsung added an advanced glycation AGE's index that reflects your overall biological aging process, which gives you an insight into your metabolic health. We're talking about the specs here. The Galaxy Watch Ultra offers 10 ATM water resistant alongside IP68 water and dust resistant. In the line with previous rumors, the smartwatch comes with an additional physical button sandwiched between the existing two rectangular buttons. This is powered by Exynos W1000 chipset with 3nm processor. The Galaxy Watch Ultra comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB of storage. And yes, this has 590 mAh of battery that can last up to 100 hours on just one single charge with power saving mode turned on. The Watch Ultra packs the new bioactive sensor also. The Samsung claims it 30% more accurate than its previous one. You also get a temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, and light sensor. Well, if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy durability, it's pretty durable and the design is pretty impressive and looks very different from the models that have been launched so far. So yes, this is of course a unisex watch and looks as good as it looks on a male or a female. Well, if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra pricing, it starts from 59,999. We're going to be reviewing this smartwatch very soon, so stay tuned. And then you let me know, how did you like the watch?